welcome you all. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with chapter number 3 of English, and the name of the chapter is Common and Proper Nouns. So in this chapter हम लोग common और proper nouns के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं, right? So what are nouns actually? Nouns are basically the names of the person, place, animal or thing. And these common and proper nouns are actually the kinds of noun. So let us begin with the chapter and know more about it. So first of all they say read the following sentences. तो हमें यहाँ पर ये sentences पढ़ने हैं. Let us read them. The girl loves flowers. Syra loves roses. I read the newspaper. And I read the Times of India. So now the words girl, flower, Syra, roses, newspaper, the Times of India are names. तो इन सभी sentences में हमने देखा कि girl, flower, Syra, roses, newspaper, Times of India ये सभी names हैं. Right? That means they all are nouns. The words flowers, roses and newspaper are common names. तो हमने यहाँ पर देखा कि जितने भी flowers, roses और newspaper है ये सभी common names है, right? After that, the next thing that we read is the words Syra and the Times of India are special names. Keyword Syra or Times of India actually special names हैं, right? So now here we got to know the difference between the common and the proper nouns. How? Let's just read them more. The words girl, flower, Syra, roses, newspaper, the Times of India are names. Naming words are called nouns. As I told you, all the naming words are known as the nouns. They are the names of persons, places, birds, animals or things. ये सब ने नाम है person, places, animals और things के. Right? So, common nouns are the names of common people, places, animals and things. तो common nouns जो है वो नाम है common people, places, animals and things के. Right? And what are proper nouns? Proper nouns are actually the special names for people, places or things. They always begin with capital letter. तो proper noun में special नाम mention किए जाते हैं for a particular people, places and things, right? और proper noun हमेशा एक capital letter से शुरू किया जाता है. So, if I give you an example, like I say boy. So, boy is a common noun. Why? Because we can talk about any boy. हम किसी भी boy के बारे में यहाँ पर बात कर सकते हैं. We are not at all specifically mentioned over here that about which boy we are talking. So there are a lot of boys in the world, right? But if I say Rohan, Rohan is also a boy and it is a proper noun. राइट सो वाई इट इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन बिकॉज रोहन जो है वो बॉय की कैटेगरी में आता है राइट और हमें पता है कि वी आर स्पेसिफिकली टॉकिंग अबाउट रोहन ओवर हेयर राइट सो दैट इज वाई रोहन इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ प्रॉपर नाउन एंड बॉय इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ कॉमन नाउन इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि कॉमन नाउन किसी स्पेसिफिक कैटेगरी के लिए यूज किया जाता है राइट And in the same place, proper noun is used for mentioning about a particular person, place, animal or thing. Right? After that, they say, read some more sentences. तो यहाँ पर हमें कुछ और sentences दिए हुए हैं. Let us have a look on them also. Sahib is a good boy. Rocket is my pet dog. Sunday is a holiday. Right? So, what is the grammatical fact over here? Names of special days like Guru Purab, Christmas, Holi and Eid are also proper nouns. क्योंकि हमें पता है कि हम special days की बात करेंगे जैसे कि गुरु पूरब, Christmas, Holi, ईद, ये सब भी प्रॉपर नाउन्स में ही कंसिडर किए जाते हैं बिकॉज दीज आर द स्पेशल नेम्स जो हमने पर्टिकुलर डेज को दिए हुए हैं, राइट? सो नाउ here we have some common and proper nouns. So यहाँ पे हमें कुछ proper और कुछ common nouns दिए हुए हैं. Let us have a look on this. So first of all we have common nouns and then proper nouns. So common nouns are boy, girl, singer, actor. And the proper nouns are Rakesh, Madhu, Ravi, Salman and A.R. Rahman. Right? Next is the name of city, which says Delhi and Chennai, right? Common noun is river, and the proper noun in the same way is Ganga and Yamuna. Month, January, February. Days, Sunday and Monday, right? And so now let's recall that what did we all study in this chapter? So, the naming words are nouns. We all know कि जितने भी naming words होते हैं वो सभी noun कहलाते हैं. They are names of person, places, birds, animals or things. कि ये सभी नाम होते हैं person, places, animal, birds या फिर things के. Right? उसी के बाद common nouns are names of common people, places, birds, animals or things. कि common nouns जो है वो common names है जो कि हमने एक category को दिए हुए हैं person, place, birds, animal या फिर things के. Proper nouns are special names for specific people, places or things. और proper nouns special names है जो हमने उस category में से एक particular place, person, animal, thing या फिर birds को दिए हुए हैं. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. कि proper nouns जो है वो हमेशा capital letter से ही शुरू किए जाते हैं. Right? So, that was all about the chapter common and the proper nouns. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all learned something from this. So, thank you so much and have a great day ahead.